I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, quit Photoshop and save any unsaved PSDs because firewall rules can interrupt file syncing. Next, locate Photoshop's executable and program files so you target the right program. Make sure you note each version folder. Once done, open Windows Firewall with admin rights. This lets you create outbound rules. You do this now to stop unwanted app network traffic. I explain why. Blocking the executable prevents updates, telemetry, and cloud assets from flowing into Photoshop. Now you create the rule. In Firewall, choose Outbound Rules, then New Rule, pick Program and paste the Photoshop. EXE path. Select Block the connection, then apply it to domain, private, and public profiles so nothing slips through on any network. Give the rule a clear name like Photoshop Block and finish. If you need finer control, also block Adobe update services or specific ports. This stops auto-updates while leaving local functionality intact. Make sure to test by launching Photoshop. Finish by launching Photoshop and checking that cloud libraries, stock search, and auto-update prompts are gone. That confirms the block works. If a useful feature breaks, temporarily disable the firewall rule to identify which service you need, then refine the rule instead of leaving everything blocked. For Macs, modify the PF firewall or use an app firewall. For network-wide control, block Adobe domains on your router. One troubleshooting tip. If Photoshop still contacts the internet, check for helper services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.